Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to send crypto or Bitcoin using their Cash App account. And so stick around just because this video is going to be short and sweet and to the point. And so if you follow it from step by step, you're going to learn how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. So the first thing that you're going to need in order to send Bitcoin from Cash App is the wallet address. So I'm going to go ahead and hop onto my Coinbase wallet and actually show you what that address looks like. So here on Coinbase, I have my address wallet. And so what you're going to do is just click on the copy icon. And as you can see, the address has been copied. You want to make sure that you're only sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin wallet. As you can see in the notifications, don't send BCH to this address. This address can only receive Bitcoin on a Bitcoin network. And so with that, once you have the wallet address, I recommend actually copying the whole thing. I don't recommend writing it letter by letter just in case you accidentally make a mistake in the address. But let's go ahead and hop back over onto our Cash App account. Now, once we're on our Cash App account, you want to click the $ in the middle and then input the amount that you want to send. So let's say we want to send $10 on Bitcoin. Where it says USD in the middle, you want to go ahead and click that and then click on, okay. So once you click on buy Bitcoin, you're going to need Bitcoin on your Cash App account to actually go ahead and send Bitcoin to another wallet. So we're going to click on buy Bitcoin, change it to $1, click on next, go ahead and verify it, and then click on confirm. And so now we have about $1 worth of Bitcoin on our account. So let's go ahead and go back as far as sending a Bitcoin. And as you can see, now we can send some Bitcoin. Now what we're going to do is actually try to send $0.1 of Bitcoin. So I just clicked on 0.1 and then click on send. Now, if you recall that wallet address that I had you copy earlier, this is where you're actually going to paste that wallet address. Just make sure that it is correct because you can't send or retrieve the money back if you send it to an incorrect Bitcoin address. But once you actually copy and paste the Bitcoin address here, you're just going to click on next. And then from here, again, just enter the amount that you want to send over. And as you can see, there is a minimum that you need to send with Bitcoin. Just make sure that you are meeting the minimum amount. But that is essentially how you send Bitcoin from Cash App. So I apologize because I probably should have bought more Bitcoin on this Cash App account. But if you know of a better or easier way to actually send Bitcoin from Cash App, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.